Okay, I just got my MPOW wired computer headset um, in the mail. I was using I was using this old it's an old I think it's Microsoft Logitech. It's an old Logitech headset, and it was very uncomfortable on the ears after an hour or 2 hours, especially using Zoom meetings. Really, it started hurting my ears, so I wanted something a little different. So the ear cushions are really good, and I tried it for 2 hours, and I was pretty comfortable with it. It worked out fine. What came in the box was this headset with a audio jack, and then a USB cable came with some controls. So first I plugged it in with the audio jack, and if you notice, as soon as I plug it in, on my computer, it's kind of hard to see, but on my computer, it says headphones. Which device do you want to use? Headphones, and then headphones with a microphone. So I put headphones with a microphone. And so that's what I'm using here. And I tried this out on my Zoom meeting. Like I said, audio was fine. Um, the speakers in the headset were fine also. A lot better than what I was using as far as the Logitech. In fact, I noticed right away a lot clearer, a lot louder. I had to turn the volume down. The only thing I found difficult was when you have both of these headsets, both of these earpieces on your head, it's really hard to hear yourself talk. It's like you're talking in a bubble or something. So it's really hard. I mean, it's like talking when you have your ears, fingers in your ears. You really can't hear yourself talk. So that's why you see a lot of people have only one ear on. You can't hear yourself talk. And I've looked for settings, and I didn't find any settings to where I could hear myself talk. Um, so I'm going to say that's not 100% optimal. You want to be able to hear yourself talk like a normal conversation. So when I did use these in my Zoom meeting, um, I did have one earpiece off. I just slid it off of my ear. Okay, so next I want to unplug the audio jack and plug it into this control device where you can plug it in here. You can turn your microphone on and off, and you can turn your headset, your speakers in your ears on and off. And this plugs into the USB. So when I plug this into the USB, nothing pops up like when I plugged it into the headphone jack. Nothing pops up on here. However, if I go down here to speakers, it does say MPOW speakers. So it recognizes it, and it does say MPOW. I use Zoom today. Now on Zoom, it doesn't recognize it for some reason, and on the Zoom settings you have to go to microphone and speakers and click on MPOW for both of them. MPOW will pop up, but you have to actually click on in Zoom meetings, when you activate your Zoom, you have to actually click on MPOW speakers and MPOW microphone. This controller right now, if you look, the microphone is activated. It's blue. If you want to turn off your microphone, all you do is click it and it turns red. So now the microphone in this does not work. And in just case you want to talk to somebody or answer the phone, whenever you're ready to talk again, you click on it again, it turns blue and you're good to go. Same way with the speakers down here, the speakers in your headset in the two ears. You can click on this to turn it off and on, and I tried it in my Zoom meeting, and sure enough, I quieted everybody, and then when I clicked on it again, I could hear everybody. The only problem with this button is I can't, there's no color, up here there's a light. It turns blue, and it turns red when it's off, blue when it's on. Here, I mean, just by looking at it, you can't tell which one it is, on or off. It doesn't let you know, so that's just a small little thing. Overall, I thought it was fine. I wouldn't mind, I'm going to try this out a little bit more, a few more days or weeks, and see how it goes. But you do see the headsets with only one earpiece and a microphone. I think that's the next one I'm going to buy, because the two headphones, the headset, the two earpieces, once again, they muffle your ears and you can't hear yourself speak. So it's like you're talking in a glass or something. You really can't hear yourself speak. So I'm assuming that's why there's only one earpiece in a lot of these. I saw them for sale and I said, well, why get one earpiece when you could get two? The reason why to get one earpiece is you can hear yourself speak, and the volume is fine in just one of these, because I moved this earpiece off of my ear anyway in the last Zoom meeting, and everything went really well. I hope this review helped.